Let's get our brunch. Ano yung order natin, guys? Chicken one. So, I bought my first blind box from Pop. Apparently, they close at 8, so kailangan namin magpagabi. Good morning, guys. It's our official day 2 here in Bangkok. We just arrived here in Siam Paragon. Today, we will be doing our mall hopping. So from Siam Paragon, we'll be going around the different malls just nearby. But before that, let's get our brunch. We found the entrance to the food market. Meron ding Kubkaw Kupla. We're looking for Tip Samay. There it is, guys. Tip Samay. Guys, before you buy anything pala, just go to this card counter. Bili kayo ng card. Tapos, lamanan nyo yung tingin nyong kasya sa kakainin ninyo. Ibabalik naman nila yung hindi nyo magagamit. Here's the card. We just loaded it up with 500 baht. Hi.
Yeah.
2 of this.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Ayan, naka-order na tayo, guys. Hanap tayo ng mauupuan. Karamihan ng mga nandito, guys, part ng Michelin Guide. So, like this one, yung Goang Pratonam Chicken, which is also really famous. Tapos, beside that is Here High, also another Michelin Guide na restaurant. We found a seat, guys. It's a little bit busy here now because it's already almost 11:43. It's lunchtime. We just ordered from Tip Samay earlier, as you saw, and we're also trying to order from Goang to try their chicken rice. I'll show it to you guys once we have our order. Which one?
Thank you. One and one.
Oh,
Peanut, spicy, spoon and cold.
okay. I'll just come back for it.
Okay.
I'll get one. Ito na yung order natin, guys. Yan yung Tip Samay na prawn pad thai. And from Gong Chicken, we also got their Hainanese chicken. Tapos, it comes with free soup. Yung Tip Samay naman, meron siyang side ng veggies. Actually, yung pad thai, it can be shared. Malaki siya in person. So, pwede kayong kumuha ng sauce doon, like fish sauce, yung peanuts. Pero, hindi ako mahilig sa peanuts, so hindi na ako kumuha ng parang pinaka-peanuts. Look at that. Naka-wrap siya sa egg. Parang ang dami. Maubos ko ba ito? I really like that. Doesn't taste like your usual pad thai. There's something different about it. There's our chicken rice. Cheers! Itong Goang na Hainanese chicken, guys. It's simple and clean tasting. So kung kayo yung tao na hindi mahilig sa sobrang daming spices, ang daming nangyayari, ito yung food for you guys dito sa Thailand. Done na tayo kumain, guys. Ibabalik lang natin ulit tong card dito sa card counter. Meron pa tong natirang 12 baht, so i-refund lang natin. Hi! Thank you! Kapun ka. Maybe we could have just shared our pad thai kasi we ordered one each, thinking that it would be just tiny. Pero malaki yung serving niya, guys. It can be good for sharing also. Tapos nag-rice pa kami. But all in all, it was a nice experience. Come to that food court if gusto nyo matry yung mga Michelin Guide na restaurants dito sa Bangkok, but you don't want to travel around for it. Now, let's go explore the malls around this area. We're out, guys. But for now, let's go here sa Siam Center. Kita ko agad yung Popland. We're entering Siam Center. Pop Mart, guys. This one is so cute. 380 baht. And of course, meron din nito mga blind boxes dito. Check natin magkano. This one is 430 baht. Itong isa naman, 690 baht. Yung maliliit, 230 baht. And then, meron ding 380 baht. Of course, they also got the famous Labubu. That one's really adorable. And this one also. Ito yung favorite character ko from Pop Mart. Look at that little bow. Guys, I found the ugly fish from SpongeBob and I really want to get one. It's my first blind box if ever. Should I get one? I want one.
A few moments later.
Guys, I did it. I bought my first blind box from Pop Mart. It's because it's the ugly fish from SpongeBob. Let's open it. I'm hoping I get the dopey fish, cool fish, or maybe the working fish. But honestly, anything would work. Gusto ko lang yung tatlo na yun the most. Huh? Oh no! It's the one that I least like. It's the, what's this one? It's the lip fish, guys. It's the one I least like. Pero cute pa rin naman siya, diba? He goes to my bag na. We're inside Frank, guys. Here in Siam Center. So many cute stuff. Talaga mapapagastos ka dito kung madali ka mabudol. Guys, we're moving towards Siam Discovery. Lumabas na tayo ng Siam Discovery, guys. Papunta tayo dun sa kabila naman. Taas ng araw. Ang init. Guys, we're walking towards MBK Center. From Siam Discovery, dito lang tong MBK Center pagtawid ninyo. Hindi nyo na kailangan lumabas. Daan lang kayo dun sa may parang bridge. And magkatabi lang sila, which is good. You guys, ang napansan ko, dito sa Thailand, mainit siya, pero dry. Hindi siya humid, or maybe today lang. But so far, hindi siya as bad as, you know, yung humidity natin sa Pilipinas. Nakaramdaman ko nga lang, it's already warm. Papawisan na ako. So let's go. Gusto ko na ng aircon. Guys, am I seeing it right? There's a Don Quixote inside MBK Center. Yun yung bubungad sa inyo pagpasok. Tumutugtog yung jingle ng Don Quixote, guys. I missed it so much. The Don Quixote. Itong MBK Center, guys, it's giving Green Hills yung vibes niya. Ayan o, may mga stalls, tapos halo-halo yung paninda. Overstimulating yung mga nakikita ko dito sa MBK Center kasi there's so much stuff around. Like, halo-halo sila, hindi siya yung parang damit lang, ganyan. May mga souvenirs, may damit, may mga sabon, may mga jewelry. Kung naghahanap kayo ng medyo mas mura-mura, this is the place to go. Guys, we're almost done here at MBK. Really giving Green Hills vibes if you've been in. So, alam niyo yung tinutukoy ko. Ang dami nag-shopping dito na foreigner. I guess, since you can also haggle, kaya okay din if you're in a budget. Just know na pwede kayong tumawad. Okay? They will tell you naman if hindi. But yeah, I got my cap nga pala from here. And it matches my top for today. So, I like it. A few minutes walk from MBK Center. Made it to Siam Square 1, guys. And meron silang market dito ngayon. I found the Chatham, you guys. I'm parched. I want a drink. guys, I got my order. This is the original Thai tea. And this is for 45 baht. And it's good. This is the Siam Square 1 area, guys. And lots of shops nearby. So we'll just explore it. Ito yung isang flagship store ng Gentlewoman, guys. And then just below that is Nutrium. Ayan. Diyan yung papasok ng Gentlewoman. Tapos may mga shops. Meron ding mga restaurants nearby. And then doon, may parang street market. Interesting. We went inside this place called Aesop. And para siyang collective ng mga local brands. And it looks so good. I really like the vibe in this area. It's so youthful. Karamihan din ng mga namamasyal dito is mga estudyante from Thailand mismo. The vibe is so nice. It reminds me of Osaka for some reason. Pumasok kami dun sa mga alleyway dito sa may Siam Square 1. And meron pang mga shops inside. I think ito yung parang considered Changi. I found one of the shops that I wanted to go to. This is Daddy and the Muscle Academy. Their shop smells so good. Going to Central World from Times Square 1. Siguro mga 10-minute walk. Ang maganda dito guys, enough yung space for sidewalk. So, pwede nyong lakarin. Walkable siya, I would say. And meron din parang space for walking kung ayaw nyo mainitan. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo. That's connected to the Siam BTS line. Sobrang tourist-friendly ng Bangkok, guys. Siguro, our mistake lang was not researching our hotel kasi medyo malayo siya sa mga MRT BTS line. Mas makakatipid kayo if malapit kayo sa mga train line. We're almost at the entrance of the Central World Mall, guys. Siguro mga 2 minutes walk na lang. We're here at the Central World, guys. Ang laki nitong Central World. Let's go up. Ang babango ng mga mall dito, guys. Ang bango din itong Central World. Ang ganda ng area na to, guys. Inside Platinum Mall, and we've actually been exploring the place for like 20 minutes now. Naghahanap lang kami ng mga pwedeng biling outfits or pwedeng ipampasalubong. So far, bumili kami ng dalawang set ng inhalers. Kung yung MBK is parang Green Hills, ito namang Platinum Mall is parang Divisoria sa atin. It's already past 7 p.m. and some of the stores here are already closing. Apparently, they close at 8, so kailangan namin magmadali. We won't force it kung wala kaming makitang maganda because anyway, we're going to Chatuchak. On na tayo guys sa Platinum Mall. Now we're walking towards Big C. Lumabas lang kami from Platinum Mall and in the R-Walk or yung Skywalk nila, naglalakad lang tayo papunta ng Big C. Ang ganda guys kasi connected lang sila ng Skywalk or ng R-Walk. How I wish meron din tayong ganito sa Pilipinas guys para hindi tayo nauusukan and hindi tayo nasa tabi ng mga sasakyan kapag naglalakad tayo. We're already inside Big C and there's so many people. Milo nuggets guys, 65 baht. I found the crowd favorite Kopi Ko Macchiato. It's 79 baht. Guys, kumuha ko nitong parang Thai rice pop. Ang sarap niya. Kumuha ko nitong shrimp, bet ko. Sour cream din, masarap. So guys, nakahanap ako nung sampalo. 40 baht. Guys, okay na tayo dito sa Big C. Basically, yung mga food items and mga candies lang yung binili natin dito. Like noodles, ganyan. Ayun, lipat daw tayo ng pila. So much stuff. Should we add one more bag yung maliit? Ang pait nito ni ate guys. Kasi kanina, nakapila ko doon. Nakita niya ako. Siya na yung umakay sa akin mismo. Kasi nakasara tong cashier na to kanina. Ayan guys, nakapagbayad na tayo. Ngayon, we're just trying to book a ride going back to our hotel para i-drop off to. I don't know yet if lalabas pa kami para kumain. We were initially planning to go to Chinatown sa Yawarat. But, we'll see. Kasi we've been out for the entire day and then may bit-bit kami. But what sure is babalik muna tayo sa hotel. So I'll see you guys maybe later.